Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra. Exercise 3.15. Seventh sum. Draw the graph of y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 and hence solve 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. So first we will take x values as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2x squared. So 2x squared will be, so first we will find x squared, then we will find 2x squared. Just for our convenience. So this one will be 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Then this is x squared, with this 2 has to be multiplied. So we'll get 2x squared. So 18, 8, 2, 0, 2, 8, 18, 32. So 2x squared. Then minus 3x. So x value is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Then minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Then 3, 0. Then minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. Then minus 5 is constant. So we'll write that constant. Then we will simplify this to get y value. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 18 plus 4, 22. Then 6 minus 5, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 5 minus 5, 0. Then here minus 5. Then 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Then minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. Then 32 minus 12 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So the coordinate points to get the parabola is minus 3, 22, minus 2, 9, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 5, 1, minus 6, 2, minus 3, 3, 4, 4, 15. So all these points, we'll plot it in the graph to get the parabola. And one more question is there. We are asked to solve this. So y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. And then 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. So when we subtract this, y is equal to 2x squared minus 2x squared will get cancelled. So here it will be x plus 1. So y is equal to x plus 1. So the points to get a straight line here is, we'll take x values and get y is equal to x plus 1. So x values, we'll take it as minus 2, 0 and plus 2. So the y value for this will be minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So the coordinate points are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, 3. So these are the points we'll be plotting to get a straight line. Then we'll check the parabola and the straight line where it meets. Okay. So now we'll plot these points in the graph sheet. So first point is, so this is x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So first point is minus 3, 22. So minus 3, 22. first point. Then second point is minus 2 comma 9 between 8 and 10. So minus 2 comma 9. Then minus 1 comma 0. Then 0 comma minus 5. Then 1 comma minus 6. 1 comma minus 6. Then 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. Then 3 comma 4. Then 4 comma 15. 4 comma 15. So now we'll join these points to get a parabola. So we got a parabola here for the given points. Now we'll plot the points to get a straight line. So first point is minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 2 comma minus 1 will be here. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Then 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 will be here, this point. Then 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. So one more point also we will write. 2 comma 3. After that we'll take 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 comma 4 also we will plot. So 3 comma 4 will be the same point here. This is 3 comma 4. So now we'll join. Now we'll join these points to get a straight line. So we got a straight line. So this line is y is equal to x plus 1. So the point of intersection of the parabola and the straight line forms the root of the equation. So the x-coordinate of the points of the intersection forms the solution. So the solution is minus 1 comma 3. So minus 1 comma 3. So that is the solution. Okay. So this is how it has to be solved. Okay. Thank you.